Your name and
Yeah.
how the experience.
Hi sir, this is Manik. So actually, I came through your YouTube channel and I've been following your Telegram calls also. I found that there means you're giving the logic also how where exactly to enter everything. So I thought it would be helpful for me in my trading career so that uh, because the price action is the ultimate thing actually. There will be so many indicators, everyone will be following that.
Yeah.
But if you follow the crowd right, you can definitely cannot succeed. You should actually know the science behind the candles and all. So that is the reason why I joined this webinar, and I got a lot of insights which will definitely be helpful. But one has to practice a lot. So now you gave us almost what you taught us is only 50%. Remaining 50% we have to work hard and we have to practice whatever you said. So hoping I will practice whatever you said, and so I feel definitely it will be very helpful for my
Definitely.
career.
I will support. You have to do practice.
Yeah,
That is more important.
correct.
Utilize a group. Okay, I will add into the group. You just do practice and interact with other members. Then you will gain more number of knowledge.
Yes.
Practical
Today,
basis.
We learned many important concepts like fake candles and how to extend your target. These and all I never heard of.
No one will share.
Yeah.
So it's all about practical knowledge only. That's why I'm saying.
And before market opening itself, based on the previous day, right? How can we expect the higher end and lower end? So it will give us
Stock selection market.
Yes, yes. So we got so many insights actually.
Super, sir.
Thank you so
Do
much.
practice. I will support you.
Sure, sir. Thanks so much.
Your name and
Yeah, my name is P. Almanda Reddy. So all these days I done trading by my self-analysis. I'm not following any any statistics. Okay. So today from this class, first thing I learned that statistics is very more, and also I learned that how to manage our emotions based on the candlesticks. So how to find out the buying opportunities and all these things. So this was a nice class actually. So it's very helpful for me.
super, sir. Thank you. How about the fake candles?
Yeah, I like that. One thing I learned from the fake candidates. So I realized that most of the time retailers are cheated by the fake candidates.
With the help of it.
Even whatever I did losses because of fake candidate only. So now from this class I learned that the fake, you have to identify the fake candidate and do reverse trading actually. So that will help us.
Super, sir. Okay. And you, sir.
Myself Ajay Kumar. Today I got to know more knowledge on price action because I had some knowledge, but I was not much following it on that one, on those things. But today what I learned was many faking candles, how market is moved, and we will know it much before then the action takes place. Those things, if I start practicing, maybe I will benefit more on this one.
Definitely.
And this without indicators, I feel there is much more to learn and understand how market, how we can predict the market, how it moves. So that we need to start practicing and master on it. So definitely, I think we will go in positive side only. We need to start practicing on it. But
Sure, sir. Utilize a group for practicing and gaining more knowledge.
yes,
Okay.
thanks for that.
Hi, my name is Subhash, and I came to know for these classes from online. So I was using lot of indicator and make it miss for myself. I don't understand which one to consider for taking the trade. I'm always late for the entry or exit. So now at least I got the confirmation that where to entry and where to exit. And I'll be more focused on my only candlestick only, not on that oscillator or any other indicator. That will help improve my trading. And also not fear for early exit or late entry or those things. It will be gone for me at least.
So now onwards you will get earlier entry.
Yeah, earlier entry also I'm able to understand where to exit.
Maximum profit also.
Maximum profit I can take on that one. I will not fear for a little bit of downside will come down. I will got fear and exit from
So
market.
you got to know where it will
Try
reverse.
to reverse, yeah. The reversal point I got to know. I will try to utilize more and more. But it is more require practice than other than else.
So what do you think about the trailing stop loss?
Yeah, trading stop loss also I was not aware how to set that one. So now I able to understand that where to move that trailing stop loss. It will also improve my trading strategy.
Super. So do the practice and utilize the group and gain the knowledge with other members in the group. Okay.
Yes.
So I will support, but you need to do practice.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
And a lot of things are there which we didn't knew, and now we know some secrets also from KISHORE, because he's been, as he says, he's inventing more on this one, and he's discovering more things which he has shared to us. So these things will really help us.
Definitely it will help you. And in further I will share a lot of knowledges also
Yeah.
in the group.
So this is on the winning side only, I can say, hopefully.
We always winners.
Yeah.
Now we are winning in more.
Yeah, we will win more now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Name and
Hi, my name is Venkatesh. I am following Kishore channel, Kishore sir channel from 2015, and now I got an opportunity to take a training from him. So basically, earlier I used to get a tip from some providers, and I was not able to take a trade since as soon as they provided tip, the price would have been already reached the target. So I thought that I should become an independent trader, so that I should not use multiple indicators or multiple tools to set up my trade plan. So basically, what I understood from group is I have to only follow a candlestick patterns. So today I have come here to learn all the patterns and how to use, how to select a stock, and how to enter, how to make a trailing SL, and how to set a target 1, target 2, target 3, what they are really meant for, and how to adjust, and everything today I learned it. I am really feeling happy. Thank you so much, sir.
thank you very much, sir. Thank you.